The Power of Discipline, How Ordinary People Become Fluent and Unstoppable. A freestyle American English original story. Most people think fluency comes from talent, or from living abroad, or from having a good ear. That's not true. Fluency, and success in anything, comes from discipline, showing up when it's boring, when no one is cheering, when progress is invisible. This is the story of how discipline can change your English. And your life. Motivation fades. Discipline remains. Scene 1, the silent killer of English progress. There is one moment that kills more English dreams than anything else. It's not failure. It's not making mistakes. It's stopping. A learner starts, day 1, motivated. Day 2, still excited. Day 7, life gets busy. Day 10, they miss one day. Then the brain whispers, you missed a day. So you failed. So they quit. That's why I tell my students, motivation starts you, discipline keeps you. Key line to narrate slowly, motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Scene 2, what discipline actually is, not what Instagram says. Discipline is not being perfect. It's not waking up at 4 a.m. every day with a green smoothie. Real discipline is this, doing the important thing even when you don't feel like it. 10 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of shadowing, 3 sentences of journaling, 1 conversation a week that looks small, but done every day for 6 months? That's fluency territory. 18 minutes a day beats 3 hours once a week. Scene 3, the English discipline formula. The March 5, 2010 Rule 1. 3 sentences in English about your day. 2. 5 minutes of speaking/shadowing. 3. 10 minutes of listening. That's 18 minutes. Not 2 hours. Not when I have time. Just 18 discipline minutes, daily. If you do this for 90 days, your English will improve more than in the last 2 years of When I'm in the Mood. Consistency and talent. Scene 4, why discipline beats talent. Talented but inconsistent equals slow progress. Average but consistent equals unstoppable. English is a repetitive language. The brain needs to see, hear, and use words over and over. Discipline gives the brain what it needs. You can even say, fluent people aren't lucky, they're repetitive. The busy student 1. Scene 5, the story moment. Make it personal. I once had 2 students. One was very smart, had great pronunciation, but she only practiced when she felt inspired. The other was busy, had a full-time job and 2 kids, but she studied 15 minutes every day on the bus. Guess who spoke better after 6 months? Not the talented one. The disciplined one. It makes the lesson believable. Discipline is one muscle, many results. Scene 6, discipline in real life, not just English. Discipline is the same muscle for learning English, saving money, getting healthy, building a YouTube channel, improving relationships. It's the ability to tell yourself, I don't feel like it, but I'm doing it. When you train discipline in English, you are actually training identity. I am someone who finishes things. Small. Visible. Daily. Scene 7, how to make discipline easier. People quit because they make the target too big. 1. Make it small. 10 minutes is enough. 2. Make it visible. Track your English days on a calendar. 3. Make it daily. Don't negotiate with yourself. 4. Make it identity-based. Say, I am an English speaker. This is what I do. Stop waiting. Start showing up. Scene 8, discipline versus motivation. The real talk. If you only study when you feel motivated, you will never become fluent. Motivation is the spark. Discipline is the engine. Tell them to stop waiting for perfect conditions. I'll start when I move abroad. I'll start when I have more time. I'll start when I'm more confident. No. You start now with what you have. That's discipline. Discipline. Confidence, freedom. Scene 9, the reward of discipline. You start understanding more YouTube videos. You can actually reply to natives. You can write emails without translating. You feel proud of yourself. Discipline gives you proof that you can change. That proof spills into the rest of your life. You start thinking, if I can do this in English, what else can I do? 7-day discipline challenge. Scene 10, mini challenge for your viewers. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, do the March 5, 2010. 3 sentences, 5 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening. Comment, I'm in if you're doing it. That gives you comments, which help the video. Keep showing up. Listen, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be disciplined. If this message gave you a push, don't let it die here. Make English part of your daily life. And if you want more videos like this, motivation for English learners, subscribe now, because I'm building a library of messages to keep you going. Your English is not a dream.